Season's greetings to you all in Ceredigion. We've come to the end of yet another year like no other, and although 2021 has seen some relaxation of coronavirus restrictions and life returning to some sort of normality, the virus remains a threat in our communities, and with the appearance of Omicron, we must still be vigilant. With Christmas fast approaching, this is an opportunity for us to remember those who lost people dear to them and those who have suffered this year, and to thank everyone for their care and hard work. During the year, we saw the rollout of the vaccines, which have undoubtedly saved many lives. Remember, please take advantage when you're offered a vaccine or a booster. It's never too late, and this will give us the best protection against COVID-19. After some very difficult months, I'm sure that many of us are looking forward to catching up and celebrating with friends and families this Christmas. But please remember that the coronavirus has not gone away from our communities, and there is now a further threat from the Omicron variant. However, here are a number of things we can do to keep each other safe. Remember to let plenty of fresh air in, keep a social distance from others, wear a mask where it's needed, and wash your hands regularly. You can also take a lateral flow test before going to meet people or afterwards if you feel you need to. And remember to self-isolate immediately and book a PCR test if you do have any symptoms. It's been great to see events returning to the county this year, including the opportunity to welcome the Tour of Britain during the summer and the International Sheepdog Trials in September, along with many other events across the county. I really hope that there will be so much more to look forward to in 2022, including the long-awaiting Eisteddfod Genedlaethol finally coming to Ceredigion. Until then, stay safe. May I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a happier New Year, and I hope that you all get a chance to relax with your loved ones this festive season. Together, we can keep Ceredigion safe.